Are you a veteran or no one who might be missing out on some incredible real estate benefits? Whether you're looking for your first home or ready to downsize, these lesser-known veteran benefits are here to make owning a home easier and more affordable. Today, we're talking about the top 10 real estate benefits that most veterans don't even know they have access to. Let's jump in and unlock some savings. First up, one of the most well-known but underutilized benefits: VA loans. Now, I've met a lot of hardworking veterans who think this is too good to be true. But trust me, with a VA loan, qualified veterans don't have to worry about a down payment. Zero, zip, not a down payment. We're talking thousands, maybe tens of thousands of dollars saved right off the bat. Next up is a real money saver. No private mortgage insurance, or PMI. PMI is one of those hidden costs that can sneak up on you and add hundreds to your monthly payments. But here's the beauty of a VA loan. You get to sidestep that PMI trap entirely. That means more money in your pocket every single month. Now let's talk about credit scores. We all know life throws curveballs. Maybe you're still building credit, or you faced some financial challenges in the past. The good news is, VA loans are more lenient on credit scores. So even if your credit isn't perfect, you still have a good chance of getting approved for a mortgage at a competitive rate. It's all about giving veterans a fair shot at the American dream. Here's something that'll really blow your mind. You can actually reuse your VA loan benefit.
That's right, it's not a one-and-done deal.
So let's say you buy your dream home, and a few years down the line, life throws you a curveball.
Maybe you get a killer job offer in another state. Or it's time to downsize for retirement.
And speaking of selling, here's a tip that'll make your realtor smile. VA loans are assumable. If you snag an amazing interest rate on your loan, a new buyer can take over those payments without starting from scratch. Now that's what I call a win-win. It's a huge selling point that could land you a better price or a faster sale. Now, let's say you're already a homeowner and you're looking for a way to tap into some extra cash. Maybe you need to renovate that old bathroom, pay off some debt, or finally build that workshop you've been dreaming of. Veterans can refinance up to 100% of their home's value with a VA loan. That means you can access a big chunk of equity and use it to achieve your financial goals. Now, for all you city slickers out there, I know the housing market can be tough. VA loan limits are actually higher in high-cost regions. That means you can afford a bigger, better home in the city you love without sacrificing those incredible VA benefits. All right, I know there are some folks out there who love a good project. You see potential in those fixer-uppers, the diamond in the rough. The VA has your back with renovation loan options. These loans cover the cost of buying and updating your dream home, all in one neat package. All right, let's talk about property taxes. Many states offer property tax exemptions or reductions specifically for veterans, especially those with a disability rating. This can shave a significant chunk off your annual costs, freeing up more money in your budget for the things that truly matter. It's just one more way we can honor the sacrifices our veterans have made. Last but not least, let's talk about some of the extra perks of being a veteran. Many real estate agents and companies out there offer veterans free or discounted services when buying or selling a home. We're talking savings on commissions, fees, and sometimes even extra bonuses just for your service. So, when you're ready to make your move, be sure to ask your agent about these options.
There you have it. 10 amazing real estate benefits veterans can take advantage of, whether you're a baby boomer planning your retirement move or a millennial putting down roots for the first time. Real estate has a lot to offer veterans, so don't miss out on these valuable perks. You've dedicated yourselves to serving this country, and now it's time for the country to serve you. Ready to take the next step? Reach out to me for more information or assistance with your real estate needs. Contact details are in the description below. Thank you for your service, and happy home buying.